Okay, so I'm over here bugging these guys now, and can you describe to me quickly what you've got so far and the problems you're having?
What we got so far was we have 9 outputs, 8 LEDs and 1 piezo buzzer, 2 inputs. Then we go down and we call out a random number to just randomly flash the LEDs at a random delay period between 25 and 300 milliseconds, and we just turn it off and turn it back on and do that over and over again as our intro loop. And we're reading the pin 11, which is our coin button, and checking the status of it. If it's high, it will randomly select an LED pin, and it'll flash it for 3 seconds. And after that, it's supposed to go into a randomly selected pin that the user is trying to get as a target, and it'll flash all the other LEDs randomly for a duration of 1 second.
And you say this is the part it's not going into,
yeah,
right?
it's never starting the 1 second flash.
Okay. Well, that's why I mentioned the serial monitor. You can establish a serial connection between the LED, or between the Arduino and the computer, and then if you go up to Tools, and then Serial Monitor right there. And once you've got it set up so that the Arduino is talking serial to the computer, you can insert print commands in your code to have it print and say, I'm here or something. If you say, if you think it's never getting to this section of code, just insert a serial dot print line. It's capital S for serial and then dot print, and I think the print is lowercase, but then LN at the end of it. Yeah, and all that does, if you do a serial dot print, then it just prints a character to the monitor screen here, okay? But if you do a serial print line, then it'll print to the screen and it'll do a carriage return for the next line, which is really handy, because if you have multiple sections of your code that are printing to the screen, I'm out of battery, then it can get confusing. So the print line will help you, because it'll keep it all clear, okay?